Welcome back to my channel. Happy Wednesday. I hope you guys are having a great week. It's hump day. Thank goodness. We're so close to the weekend. So I thought I would just stop on by and say hi to my friends and share with you some things I picked up at Dollar Tree this week. The first thing I saw was these wooden pumpkins. Oh my goodness, I've never seen these before. They are so cute. They can stand up. They do have initials on them, so these are super cute if you find, your initial and want to leave it just the way it is. But I know that I can have some fun DIYing with these. And oh my gosh, I love it when I find things at Dollar Tree like this. This makes me smile because they're just so cool. I can't wait to figure out what I'm going to do with this. The next super cool thing I saw is these cameras. You guys know I have a vintage wall, and I just think these are so vintage looking. These are the kind of cameras that I had growing up. You'd put the flash there. Oh my gosh. Rewind it. Or the flash would go there and you rewind it. Oh, so cute. This is more, okay, let's go backwards here. This would be the one that you wind up because that one actually has a screen. That would be a newer one, but these are cute. Target Dollar Spot has some, I don't know if they're ceramic, but I keep my brushes in this one, and it's a roller skate that I got at Target Dollar Spot. I want the gumball machine, but I can't find it at mine. But look at that. So close. This has a little bit more cream hue than the ones from Target Dollar Spot. But yeah, how cute is that? And I keep my brushes on it, and I put it on my desk, and it reminds me of, I always say, happier, more relaxing times when I was younger. And yeah, fun. So I'm just going to put these on the shelf. I just got these because they were fun. And then I found this beautiful vase, which I think my bedroom's nautical, and this would go perfect in my bedroom. And it's perfect just the way it is. I love the different colors. Oh my goodness, so cute. And yep, that one is just too cute to paint or make anything different out of because it's super cute the way it is. So we're going to keep this one just like it is. Something I've never seen at my Dollar Tree is these mini hay bales. Oh my gosh, look how cute they are. They are so tiny. Oh, I absolutely love these. And for a tiered tray, oh my gosh, so cute for fall. I can't wait to do something with the mini hay bales. I got me some signs, which these are 2 for $1. Super cute. And we will be doing something with these for Halloween. These actually are really cute, just the way they are. You wouldn't even have to do anything to them, but I think I'm going to figure out something I can do. I think these would be great to put something with apothecary on it. You guys know I love my apothecary jars, so yeah. I don't know. I'm still thinking on this one, but can't beat 2 for $1. This is the first time I've ever seen these at my Dollar Tree. And I'm sure you guys have seen them before, but I have never seen an intricate, the more in-depth sticker. But yeah, I just thought these were really cool. I got one in gold and one in pink. And I was actually thinking about doing a decorative pumpkin. So I picked me up a couple of the foam pumpkins because these are just too versatile. I mean, you can do so much with these pumpkins. If you haven't yet, check out what my Sunday video was. I actually took one of these pumpkins and made it look like it was cement, and then use an E6000, I put a bowl on top of it so that you can put it on your table and put whatever you want in it. But yeah, I love these foam pumpkins. So I think I'm going to do something decorative with that. Then I found some more of these pumpkins, which I thought I had some left over from last year, but I didn't. And these are the ones that have the clips. So I needed some pumpkins this size. They are almost too big for my hay bales, but too cute. Bought 2 of those. And then I was looking for wooden pumpkins. And this is what I found at mine. It comes 4, and they're on pins, clothespins. Because I have a project that I want to do with making a sign with these. So I bought 4 packages. And I can paint over the faces. I just wanted the shape of a pumpkin, so this worked out perfect. So that's going to be a sign. And then I saw hats, witch hats, which is going to be another sign. And you get 8 of these, which is so cute. So cute. And they're wooden as well. And then this is something I've never seen. So I picked up 3 of the different, they had 3 different ones. And these are really, really cute. They're, what are they called? Just, yeah, photo frames. Mini ones with clips. And they do stand. I just thought they were neat. I don't know what I'll do with them. Maybe I'll use them as photo frames. Comes in black, white, and wood. Like natural wood color. And yeah, so cute. I'll figure out something. But yeah, I've never seen these at my Dollar Tree before. So that's it for this week. So much fun shopping at Dollar Tree. Especially around this time of year. You never know what you're going to find. So leave in the comments below if you guys have this stuff at your Dollar Tree. Or if you have never seen it at your Dollar Tree. And what you like the best out of this little mini midweek haul that I just did. I'm going to try to stop in and say hi every Wednesday as long as my schedule permits. So I'm not officially committing to Sunday and Wednesday yet. I'm just kind of, when I can get a little stop in and say hi video done for Wednesday, I'm going to do it. But yeah, I'm just not officially committing to it yet with my schedule. But I just like to come on and say hi to you guys, see how your week's going, and just catch up with you midweek. I hope you all are having a blessed and wonderful day. Come by Sunday for the next video, and I love y'all, and I'll see you on Sunday. Bye, y'all.